Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Sheth. I'm from Mumbai and have been trading and investing for a couple of years now. So, first of all, you might think that what is this guy trying to explain to us? So, the main motive behind uploading of my videos is that I want to build a community of traders with similar goal or interest or similar mindset. So, by sharing my knowledge, experiences, and the mistakes I've made, I want to educate each and every person out there. There are a lot of things I want to explain you, but it would be practically impossible for me to put each and everything in a single video. So please bear with me, and I am going to make an habit of uploading a lot of videos in a week. So we'll start with the basics of stock market. So there is a famous quote by Sir Warren Buffett. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So this means that only 1% of stock traders, retail traders, succeed in the real market, and 99% of stock traders fail. So this is a money making machine for the 1% of traders. So basically 1% of traders transfer all the money from the 99% to them. Going on to the next slide. So what is stock market basically? So the stock market refers to the collection of markets and exchanges where regular activities of buying and selling and issuance of shares of publicly held companies take place. So there is always a lot of confusion between what is stock market and what are stock exchanges. So a stock market is basically where traders do buy and sell. So a trader completes a transaction between buying and selling. So there is and the common platform that involves this process is called stock exchange. Example, NYSE, that's New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ or National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. Going on to the next slide. So each and every transaction in a stock market involves a buyer and a seller. So A is a buyer who wants to buy 2 lakh rupees of Reliance, that are 100 shares of Reliance. So what he does, he will need a seller to sell 100 shares of Reliance at 2000 rupees. So A will buy these shares from a broker, that is like Zerodha, Upstocks or any other in the market, and the broker will in turn buy it from the seller. So what is an NSE or BSE? So NSE and BSE are the major national stock exchanges in India. So you can trade in stocks by opening a demat or trading account with a depository participant or stockbroker. So in simple words, it's an organized platform or market where investors or traders know the best stocks to buy and sell. So it first came into existence in 1992 and brought with an electronic exchange system in India, which led to the removal of paper-based system. And now BSE is the world's 7th largest stock exchange with an overall market capitalization of more than USD 2.8 trillion. So what is CDSL and NSDL? So CDSL is the short form of Central Depository Securities Limited, while NSDL is the short form for National Securities Depository Limited. Both are the depositories registered by the Indian government to hold multiple forms of securities like stocks, bonds, ETFs and more electronic copies. So in a layman term, they were established as an attempt to modernize the Indian financial market by building a dematerialized format for all securities traded across India. So what is SEBI? SEBI is a statutory regulatory body established on 12th April 1992. It monitors and regulates the Indian capital and securities market while ensuring to protect the interest of several investors, formulating regulations and guidelines. So SEBI basically protects each and every traders and organization from various type of scams, fraudulent activities. So in layman terms, SEBI is an organization that helps prohibiting fraudulent and unfair trade practices relating to securities markets, regulating the business in stock exchanges and any other security markets. So what are the market hours? Market hours are actual working hours where the buying and selling of shares takes place. So the timing of stock market in India is the pre-market begins from 9 to 9:14 am Indian Standard Time. The normal market hours are from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and the after market is from 3:31 to 4 o'clock. For the US market, the pre-market is 4 a.m. to 9:29 a.m. The normal market hours are from 9:30 to 4 p.m. and the aftermarket is from 4:01 p.m. to 8 p.m. So between 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and 9:30 to 4 p.m. are the actual hours where a retail trader can trade, and the retail trader cannot trade between the in the pre-market hours and in the aftermarket. Only the broker can trade in pre-market and aftermarket. So there are two different type of analysis. The first one is fundamental analysis. The second one is technical analysis. So the fundamental analysis is basically the understanding the patterns of a company, that is understanding the financial pattern, understanding the shareholding pattern, whether the company is making profit or losses. Whereas the technical analysis shows the patterns of the company's share price. So the fundamental analysis tries to predict the future performance using financial statements, and the technical analysis basically focuses on charts and different type of patterns which involve the price action and that could repeat in near future. So basically fundamental analysis is long-term analysis and technical analysis is according to me it's a short-term analysis. And fundamental analysis involves deep study of financials and financial statements, brokerage analysis and news reports, whereas the technical analysis depends on the stock price, the charts and the market volumes. So I guess the video is getting too lengthy, so even if you liked my video 1%, please do like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So thanks a lot, guys.